Hi everybody, my name is Luciano and I'll be presenting you today my final project for the Human Factor AI course. For the first step of the project, we have the task analysis. As a toy collector, one of the problems I see when I go, when I'm looking for a vintage toy or are going to some festival where you can find antiques and that kind of stuff, I would like to have the opportunity to obtain more information of the item before buying it. So, for example, if I found some rare GI Joe, I would like to have the opportunity to take the picture of it and have information that allows me to make better decision previous to buying it. For example, the age when it was manufactured, where was manufactured, the company that manufactured that toys, reviews from other toy collectors, and also important tips to prevent to buy fake or replicas for the original toy. So as you see here in the graph of the task analysis, the app will be very easy to use, very intuitive to use. Just you see a toy, you like it, you open the app, you take a picture of the toy, you upload it. The app will be analyzing using image recognition algorithms, and then you're gonna find a list of the information about the toy related to the manufacturer, reviews, range of prices that allows the user, in this case the toy collector, to make better decisions. So following to the next step, user experience design. As I mentioned, I have designed 5 steps. The first one is when the user open the app, and then the user have the ability can take a picture from the app or going to the roll camera from the cell phone and upload an image for the toy he wants to find information. Once the pictures have been uploaded or taken from the app, the app start analyzing this input from the user and will be show some result, a list of toys that match the criteria for the search that the user have input, and also a rate for the search. Once you have that, the 4 steps will be the user can take the possibility. If you receive a high score on the information and is reliable for the user, he can select the toy he wants to find information and see price, manufacturer, all this kind of information. If the score of the search is low, the user can do it manually to edit the criteria for the search, and then can provide us a feedback to improve the search for the information to provide a better experience. Also, it's important to acknowledge that the design of the app should be very simple, very easy to use for the user, nothing very complicated to show. Other important topic to bring to this presentation is the privacy considerations. It's important that the user knows what the information he is providing us, how it's going to be used, how it's going to be transparent, and is going to be used for the purpose of the app was created. for the stories, it's important that be clarified very clear in the policy of privacy we have, that the information should be very kept secret, stored, and encrypted to provide better trust to the user. Also, it's important that the user, his data will not share with third parties without the consent of the user. Also, we have the app will be give to the user the ability to control and edit its information in the app. And also important that all the information he has provided us will be remain anonymous without the consent of him. And also important to consider the ethical consideration, that the app should be designed to avoid any discrimination based on the race, the gender, or any other protected characteristics. Also, it's important that to build trust in our user, that he knows how the algorithms and the decision making was built to the app. How was that? Thing is important. Important factors: the responsibility, how we use the information, how to avoid any negative consequences for the user for providing us that information. And also, for me, I think the most important is that the user control. Always the user is going to give him the control of his information, not in other third parties. Thank you very much. That's the end of the project.